Welcome back to Right Style Cooking TV. Today I'm gonna brown stew some slices of fish. And in this pan I got fish all sliced up and washed and cleaned. What I'm gonna do now is to take out the moisture out of the pieces with a piece of paper towel. It's very quick. Then in this bowl I got a tablespoon of black pepper and salt. That's all I need. What I'll do is sprinkle black pepper and salt on the pieces, just like this. Turn them over. Sprinkle the other sides. Then I'll rub in the black pepper and salt in the pieces. And these pieces I'll marinate for 30 minutes. Okay, the fish pieces are marinated and I'll be browning them now. In the pot I got about a cup of oil and the pot is hot, so I'll be putting in the pieces. I'll just find them on each side, say 3 minutes aside. Then I'll remove them from the oil. When I've finished browning all the pieces, then I'll let you see how wonderful they look. Right now we are aiming at golden brown. That's the color we're looking for right now. Golden brown. Okay, I've finished frying the fish. These are the pieces. Nice and lovely, golden brown. Now I'll be making the sauce. With some pimento, half a tablespoon. Okay. Also 2 carrots julienne and kind of thick julienne. Okay, stirring up a little. Okay, put half a tomato, ripe tomato, 3 small onions, 4 cloves garlic, and a half green bell pepper. Okay, stir them up. Okay, I've put 3 cups of water. 3 cups of water will be enough just to barely cover the fish. And I'll be adding some black pepper and salt. Okay, little black pepper and some salt for taste. Also some thyme leaves, teaspoon. Teaspoon of onion powder. Mix this up. Then I'll add the fish pieces. Like I said, let's put enough water to cover the fish pieces. Okay, cut a couple pieces, small pieces of Scotch bonnet pepper, not a lot, because the people eating today they don't love spicy food. Okay, you can put the Scotch bonnet, it's optional. Then I'll cover this now for half an hour, and by that time it will be done. Okay, that's how lovely it looks, and it's tasting wonderful also, and the aroma is excellent. What I'll do now, I'll add some Worcestershire sauce for flavor. Just about a teaspoon. Then I'll add some soy sauce. Also for flavor. Another half a teaspoon, because the soy sauce is salt and salty, and it got enough salt in it already. So yes, mix it in. Mix it in like that. Don't mix it hard, because it will just break the fish pieces up. We don't want that. We want whole pieces. Excellent looking. Okay, I'll cover it back for another half an hour. For 5 minutes, and then it will be done. Okay, I've completed browning and stewing the fish pieces, brown stewed fish pieces. How lovely it looks. Please like, comment, share and subscribe to this channel. Thank you for viewing my videos. Thank you for sharing, subscribing and commenting. Thank you.